So hello all. When we studied about already cables, so how can we forget connectors? So let's start with the connectors. Connectors are used to join the cables, definitely. So connectors are used to join two electronic devices or two electronic equipments with the help of cable. Different types of connectors are used depending on the uses and requirements of us. There are many connectors you had seen, right? Some I listed here: audio connector, phone, plug and jack, RF connector, computer connectors, PCB-H connectors, telecommunication connectors, fiber optic connectors, and power connectors. In this lecture, we try to understand basic types of connectors. Here are some telecommunication connectors. In the what happened with the telecommunication connectors? In the telecommunication system, standard connectors are used depending on the type of cable. These connectors for twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. The name of those connectors are RJ45, RJ11. See, RJ stands for registered jack, not radio jockey. Right? RJ11, RJ41, and RS232. Right? So these three are basically which type of connectors? Telecommunication connectors. What happened with different of them? Let's see that. RJ45. So this is the 8 wire type connector which having 8 holes in it. In addition to the use with telecommunication, it is used for connecting computers to local area network, that is your LAN, especially with Ethernet, right? So we are using with the Ethernet. S notch is provided so that the connector cannot the connectors cannot be fitted in a reverse way. So there are some numbers of 8 or then 7 or 6 holes in it, so you cannot connect in a reverse. Then RJ11 and 41. This is similar to RJ45 connector with 4 and 6 wire type of connector. It is used to connecting the telephone instrument, modems, fax and satellite TV equipment. So for this purpose we can use RJ11 and RJ41. Then let's came to RS232 connector. RS232 means recommended standard number 232, while RS232C is the latest revised version of this type of connectors. In most of the computers, RS232 is used. So normal computers which are household, we used RS232. RS232C is a 25 pin D type. See, I know that this type, S type, D type is not your type, but firstly go through the some wiki and try to understand that what is S type and D type, because it's not going to consider in the syllabus of our book. But if it's so, I have time, I will definitely go and took a lecture on it. D type connectors is which 22 pins are used. So most of the pins are not used. Therefore, in most of the PCs, 9 pin type D connectors are used. See, term DT and DC are also with the connectors. DT, that means data terminal equipment, and DC, that means data communication equipment. These terms used to indicate pin out of the, that means at the transmitter and receiver connectors, and direction of signal on the pins computers in the DT device, while other devices are DC device. As per RS232 standards, DT device made connector, while DC device is a female. It's male connector, it's a female connector, right? So DT are male and DC are female. The last type is HDMI connector. What is HDMI? Means high definition multimedia interface. So when you are trying to connect some graphic or any other part, you need this connectors, right? It is used to interfacing uncompressed videos data, compressed or uncompressed digital data to HDMI source device, to compatible digital audio device, computer monitor, video projector or digital television. In short, it is the digital replacement of analog video standard, right? So it is basically digital kind of. Many types of HDMI devices are available which are used to compress TV or PC video format standard, enhanced high definition and 3D video signals up to 8 channels of compressed or uncompressed digital audio. CEC, that is consumer electronic control connectors, and an Ethernet data connection. These are three types of these connectors, such as type A, C and D, which have 19 pins, right? You must remember the pins because it can be asked in MCQs. There is another type B which having 29 pins. So these are the basically types of connectors, but these are all telecommunication connectors. Why? Because we are studying digital communication. So with this, let's finish the connectors too. Thank you.